Being a true hater is like an art form. It gives you opportunity to hate on mark-ass marks, trick-ass marks, punk bitches, skip scaps, skanks, and scallywags. Lonzo's face looks like a deep dish pepperoni pizza. Migos just added Lonzo as its fourth member. Dipshit. Lonzo's rap name is ZO2, but it really should be 21 Savage. Lonzo smells like a kind of shake that ass. Lonzo's girlfriend shops at Forever 21, but the only thing she buys is for Lonzo. If this song was about Lonzo's jump shot, it'd be saying, shit, 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 shit,